Hi, this is Eric Sloef at the VMworld 2014. I'm at the Solutions Exchange and I'm at a very interesting company. It's called Automation Machine, and they have created software which enables you to deploy a complete view or desktop environment in a scripted way, so it will be automatically deployed. I'm joined by Damen. Hi Dennis, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks. So the solution you have created, it sounds a little bit like Puppet, but what does it? What does it exactly?
It's actually a solution that we use to automatically build and maintain hosted desktop environments, primarily VMware View for Horizon 6. We are really focused on the horizon on the hosted desktop environment. So we're not doing all kinds of workflows, but really, we've taken a good look at the workflow of getting application automatically deployed, entire view environments automatically deployed, and also maintaining those environments over a long period of time. Yeah.
So you're talking about deploying. It's not simply the virtual machine. Is also the software inside of the machine deployed, or are you configuring policies? What's part of the deployment?
Well, actually, there's already a lot of products out there that can do the outside of the virtual machine, and we're really looking at the inside of the virtual machine. So deploying end-user applications like Microsoft Office, but also Adobe Reader, and alongside, of course, the deployment of VMware View itself. And what we're actually doing is we're not just looking at deployment, we're also looking at maintaining those applications and configuring the system, configuring the user environment, and ultimately even publishing the application to the end user in a fully automated way. So it's really hands-off. You start building from an empty Windows platform, and we can build up the whole environment. We can even duplicate environments using our Blueprint system, where we can export a complete configuration, import it in another environment. You're up and running in an hour or 2 hours, and basically an end-to-end automation solution for hosted desktops.
An end-to-end automation solutions. So can you give us a little demo so we get a bit of a look and feel from the software?
Yeah, sure. So what I have over here is an example where we have defined a number of hosted desktop environments. You can see obviously here there's a ZF 7.5 environment, but there's also a VMware View and a VMware Horizon 6 environment configured in this user interface. So where's my mouse? There it is. So here's my VMware View 5.3 environment. This basically contains all the configuration and all the software that needs to be deployed to enable the user to log on to this VMware View environment and actually start working. And the nice thing is the way that we automate is very simple. You don't have to be a developer, you don't have to know anything about .NET classes or PowerShell scripting. We are using very simple tasks actually to build our building blocks of which we create these collections.
So the workflows are there, so if you want to automate an installation, it's already predefined.
Yeah, the workflow is predefined, so all that you basically do is add packages. So a package like Office, but also a package of best practices that you can put into Automation Machine. And again, we're using fairly straightforward commands to actually deploy it. So if I go to deployment here, you can actually see a list of commands that we support. It's just things that IT professionals understand. So it's importing registry keys, copying files, running executables. So no difficult and complicated things, and you can deploy Automation Machine in about 30 seconds. You import your configurations and you start deploying your hosted desktop environment. Real easy and really fast.
Cool. Is there online something that people can give it a test spin or something, or ask for a demo at your company?
Yeah, so you can always download a trial version at our website, www.getautomationmachine.com. We also have an offering where we help you set up your first Automation Machine environment. So you get an up and running View environment or an up and running RDS environment in about 2 hours, and we take you through the first steps of getting automated. Yeah.
So
www.getautomationmachine.com.
So I should go there for a cool demo and a trial license if I was you. So I think it's great software. Many thanks for the interview.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.